everyone. I am joined by Brian Decker. He's the owner and founder of Decker Retirement Planning. Welcome, Brian.
Thank you.
We want to talk about Roth IRA today. What is so special about them?
The Roth IRA is an account that is the last really big tax-saving strategy for most people. It's three things, Janeen. It's an account that grows tax-free. It distributes income back to your beneficiary, back to yourself tax-free, and it passes to beneficiaries tax-free. So it's a triple tax-free account. So it's something that we use extensively in our financial planning for retirees.
I can see why. So how does it work?
Okay, so let's say that, would you be happy if you had us invest a $100,000 IRA for you and 15 years later it's worth $1 million?
Yes, will you please do that?
Yeah, until I ask you, or you make the point, you had a chance to pay tax on $100,000 and now you pay tax on $1 million. Now are you happy?
Well, so now I'm mad at you.
Yeah, okay, so what we do is we're fiduciaries to our clients and we're a math-based firm. And so there's 3 steps and viewers should write these down. Number 1, you make sure that you find out what your AGI, your adjusted gross income. You take your total taxes, total taxable income for the year this year, and then you deduct a standard deduction to get your AGI, and you look at your tax bracket to see where you are. And without raising a bracket, you see how much room you have to convert from IRA to Roth. And that mathematically is what we do for clients each year. Because without bumping a bracket, they're able to convert that money from an IRA to a Roth. They pay tax on it. Let's say another example. Let's say that you were a farmer and you had to pay tax on your crops and you had a choice to pay taxes on the weight of the seed or the weight of the yield. What would you do?
Well, I'd want to pay it on the weight of the yield.
No, the seed, because the weight of the corn and the...
Oh, I see what you're saying.
See what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
So you pay it on the weight, and that's how a Roth account works. That account, you're able to proactively pay taxes on it now and have it grow tax-free.
Okay. All right. Yeah. I mean, I like the way you explain things to just help us kind of make common sense out of it.
And if you think tax rates are going higher, you've got an account that can be paying tax now before rates go up.
All right, Brian, we've got your information, your website, and your phone number on the screen. Make sure you give Brian a call at Decker Retirement Planning and let him help you figure this stuff out. Thanks, Brian.